Being alive is a luxury. When I said that, it stopped me for a moment. Because if that is my definition of luxury, then the luxury archive is not really about expensive objects at all. It is about gratitude. The word luxury is often overused. To many people, luxury means expensive, exclusive, unattainable, or something that proves status. But I use the word differently. To me, luxury is the ability to appreciate. Time is a luxury. Health is a luxury. Family is a luxury. Peace is a luxury. Being alive is a luxury. And owning one beautiful bag you truly love can also be a luxury. Not simply because it is expensive, but because you are grateful for it. And this is why I believe everything we own deserves care. Not only the designer pieces, our clothes, our shoes, our bags, our furnitures, the ordinary things we use every day. Care should not begin with a logo or a price tag. It should begin with gratitude. When you appreciate what you own, you care for it differently. You maintain it, you repair it when possible, you waste less, you replace less, and you begin to understand that value is not always determined by cost. Sometimes value comes from use, from memory, from time, and from the gratitude you feel every time that item comes to serve you. That is the philosophy behind the luxury archive.